Good morning, I'm Vanessa at TheGirlOnABike and I'm here in Bosnia for the Bosnia Rally, which is a roadbook training camp. And today I'm going to show you a day at the Bosnia Rally and what to expect if you come and do this event. First of all, what is this event? This is a 5-day event here in Bosnia, so it's absolutely stunningly epic terrain. Quite a lot of rock, lots of rolling hills, forestry, so beautiful. You'll see wild horses, little lizards, absolutely incredible here in Bosnia. So it's 5 days, it is a roadbook training camp, which means it isn't a race. Now, some people will go, oh, well, it's not a race, what's the point? But actually there's an incredibly different and less intimidative energy when it's not a race, because you're here just to have fun, to enjoy the fact that you got 1,500 kilometers, between 225, 325 kilometers a day. You've got roadbook navigation, so you're going to get your brain going with that, and you've got the full organizational support for things going wrong. So there are ambulances, there are motorbike engines everywhere. They've got recovery trucks. You're getting the experience of a rally without quite the same level of intimidation. So this is an absolutely ideal way to do your first rally. Now I'm here with Nomadas, which is set up behind me. They are a rally support company. You'll have seen I've used different companies like Desert Road Racing before. That's who I use for my desert rallies. Nomadas are another competitor in the market, and really good option for bike rentals as well. So you can come and hire a bike and do full rally support with them. So I'm on a KTM with them. I'll show you my bike a little bit later. So I've hired it. Bosnia is quite a long way from the UK. And this rally is actually a come do a rally for the first time ever and experience it with Vanessa kind of rally. So I've got a group of, now I would call friends, here with me who have signed on to do the rally with me. And I'm helping teach them, coach them and guide them through doing their first rally, which is a lot of fun. And they've come from all over the world. We've got Tasmania, Scotland. It's absolutely awesome. So let's head over to the bivouac. Woo! Yay! We are on the start line. We're on 0-0. Let's go. So your rear wheel's in a little bit of a loose patch. Your front wheel's kind of out. Right, what I want you to do, an engine on, you've got to have your weight on your pegs, and I want you to steer and look up the way you're going. Gentle throttle, enough not to stall, and then gently release the clutch, and your tyre will find traction. I'll stand here with you, give you a little bit of a push, and help you stay upright. You nailed it. I kind of had you, but I don't. You didn't fall under it.
No, actually I did it today.
That was perfect though.
Oh, I didn't see like that.
No, that was exact. That was really good. You were feeling the traction. You weren't gassing it. So let's get you back on. You're doing ace.
Oh.
Put right foot on the brake. Engine on. Gentle throttle, feel that clutch out, and weight on the bike. So feel heavy, feel like a sack of potatoes. Well done. That's a good sound. Perfect. And all the way to the top. Nailed it. Okay. You're clear. riding as a group. So we're just waiting for the tail to catch up. We've just sort of been riding a tiny bit separated. This tree is on our road book right here. So we know we're in the right place. Mileage is bang on. It is absolutely gorgeous. The weather's meant to be hotter today than yesterday, but I think it's just magnificent. Okay, so we've got a bit of a mechanical. This has come off. No, that is totally fatigued and snapped. That's not repairable. It's completely broken. So here we can see it has completely failed at the welding point. That is a broken tower. So we need to unclip it all and get it in the rucksack. Right, let's take my helmet off. We have done a bush fix, so you can see it's cable tied on. It's actually still readable. Not so shabby. Right, onwards. It's quite warm here. Whew. Continue. Oh yeah? Yeah. What's happened to your face?
You're just jealous.
Because you've been eating dirt and I haven't. My dirt. You got a dirty face and you're really clean too.
Yes.
I'm quite clean as well. I'll move your bike. Okay, we are 2 o'clock and we are 119k in. So we're doing really well, but we're not going to make the 270k today, but that is exactly what a training camp like this is about. We are going to follow the road for a little bit and join the last leg of the loop. So we're going to miss out maybe 50k of the day and then make it home off-road. Kerry is going to head back on the road. She has been an absolute machine. She looks really excited by us right now on her phone. It's because she's navigating.
No, I'm checking in with
navigating. Oh, we're letting them know you're going
Base
round on the road.
camp. Yeah.
Base camp, that's very important. Telling them that she's on the way back. So we're going to see you later.
Yep, absolutely.
Fist pump. And we are going to keep going.
Yes, sure.
Should we do this?
Yes, ready.
Sweet. You okay? Just take a minute. Cool, break your tower nav. It's all repairable. Oh yeah, that was a good. Bike's okay, so you've done your screen. But are you okay?
I'm okay.
Mean rat. I could see it happening. You're doing ace, you're doing ace. Isn't it? You're done. It's not an expensive one if you don't run it now. No, he's done it. He's punctured the engine. Okay, do not start it. Let's get it out the way over here. That's you out, I'm afraid. So, whew. Okay, unfortunately we're into a bit of a problem. This is the problem. Punctured, pumped in the engine housing, which means all the oils come out. So Thankfully, it's not an expensive fix because he's not run the engine. So he can get a new cover on it, put a new engine in, and it'll be absolutely fine. And those covers aren't expensive. If he ran the engine now, he'd be in trouble. So we need to get onto the organisation and get you rescued, dude. Because that's game over. Yeehaw! Are the bikes hooning it past? It's quite warm here. I reckon it's probably about 40 degrees. I have got this on my head because it will stop the sun going into my brain. Who's this? We are doing a goodbye fist pump. It might be the last time we ever see this man alive.
I don't think so.
Go steady.
I don't know.
I'd get to the bottom and check it again.
Yes.
Okay, then there were 2 musketeers. We've gone increasingly lower in numbers.
Good luck.
Let's do this. Okay, put it in neutral and then try it again. The challenges of the day begin. Okay, so it was running totally fine, right? That's super strange. Do you have your tow rope in your bag?
Yes.
Okay, have you been towed before?
No.
Okay, have you got the bike?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to give you this. You're going to put it over your peg and then you're going to put all your weight on it. Okay, so the weight of your foot is going to hold it on, the knot's going to help you out. If anything goes wrong, release your foot and it will come off. Okay, so we're going to do that. I will get my bike and then we'll do the same. We're just going to pull you up to the top of the hill, and then as we go down the other side, we're going to get some speed. Once we're going at a good little bit of pace, I want you to lift it up into 2nd or 3rd gear and drop the clutch, and it should bump start.
Yeah, and while towing it should be neutral.
Yes, in neutral. Once we're at speed, jump it up a couple of gears and then release the clutch. And as you release the clutch, bam down with your butt to give a bit more weight onto the wheels, and then hopefully we'll jump it. It's dead there. I don't know, it's not even trying. Like, you could see me locking it, it wasn't even trying. Hello? Hello?
Hey.
Hey, we've got a bike issue.
Okay, send me your location. I go.
Okay. We have got the hero here to save us. We have a little bit of a bike issue after a water crossing. So whilst all of the ducklings are here hanging out, we've done a little bit of a lesson on how to get on your bike from side of the bike and swing your leg on as you pull away and do the same in reverse. So Andrew, you gonna give it a go? Yeah. He's on it. It's one of those things that looks way cooler than it is hard. It's actually really easy, so give it a go. So starting practicing with the weight on one side of the bike. Oh, that was dramatic. Yeah. He's just starting out on one leg. Nice, woohoo! Another one, getting used to having your weight on one side of the bike. You've got to counterbalance it.
This is Harold from the Netherlands. I just finished the Bosnia Rally, riding in a beautiful country with the Nomadas team. They really take good care of you and of the bikes, and I really enjoyed riding with the girl on the bike, Vanessa, and you really should do this next year.
My name is Andrew, I'm from Scotland. I've just survived the week of the Bosnia Rally with the Mathematics Adventure Racing team and the girl on the bike, Vanessa Ruck. It's been a real eye-opener for me this week, just the effort and the fitness required to ride on this terrain over these distances. It's been fantastic for my riding development to ride with different people, see different techniques, and obviously see the beautiful countryside that Bosnia has to offer.